Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the Climbing Roses bundle, and this is the card that we're making today. Let's get started. So we are going to start with our big shot. And I have a piece of the Balmy blue, and then I'm using the rose trellis framelits that coordinate with the Climbing Roses, and you can save 10% and get that in a bundle. So we'll just run that through. And this is a rather simple card. It's going to come together very quickly. All right, and I have the lovely lipstick, classic Stampin' Pad. And then I have Sending Love, and that's mounted on clear BLOCKB. And I'm just going to put it here in the center, just like that. And then I have a piece of the All My Love Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I have a piece of crumb cake, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm just going to attach these two together with some SNAIL adhesive. All right, and then I have the Duo Pack ribbon. I don't remember the exact name, but I'll put it on the screen for you. And I'm just going to put it across, just like that, and I'm going to put it down with some regular tape. And now I'm just going to put some SNAIL on the back of this. And our card base is Balmy Blue, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And I put some dimensionals on the back of our sentiment. And there you go, a quick and simple card. You can use this for Valentine's Day or an anniversary, or simply a friendly card to tell somebody you're sending them your love. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.